WWE forever.
And we want to give a big thank you to Rev Theory for his tune, Hell Yeah, the official theme song of One Night Stand.
And that album available in stores June 10th. Well, who do our fans think is going to win the upcoming match, the stretcher match between Batista and Shawn Michaels? You weighed in, your vote counted. Thanks to our exclusive partnership with AT&T for the results. Mick, who do you think our fans believe is going to win this matchup?
Well, I think the fans might believe it's a toss-up, but I guess we'll find out now.
Shawn Michaels. Fairly convincing, but we're going to have to see because that matchup is coming up next. Batista, Shawn Michaels in a stretcher match.
Yeah, and so rarely have I seen something get so personal between two guys. An issue that's literally divided the WWE dressing room.
This is a story that has, been laced with deceit, deception, and both broken and kept promises.
Shawn Michaels is a man of his word. No matter what it takes, any advantage I can get, any sacrifice I have to make, I'm gonna take it.
Shawn Michaels made it emphatically clear when he told Batista that on this night Michaels would do anything he had to do to beat Batista.
The band is tuning up. Oh! Batista has his own statement to make. Here it is.
Uh-oh. Michaels fought out of the predicament, but Michaels' left knee got all tangled up when he hit the canvas. We may have abrupt into this one. Oh my God! Where did that come from? Batista walks right into sweet chin music.
Shawn Michaels said that he would do any and everything to win this match, and we just saw it.
Do you believe Shawn Michaels was feigning a knee injury at Backlash?
It would make me sick to my stomach to even think that Shawn Michaels would fake an injury. Shawn, for your sake, I hope you are actually hurt. Because if you're not, when I see you, you will be.
There's been a lot of controversy regarding Shawn Michaels' knee injury that he suffered at the hands of Batista at Backlash. Shawn Michaels really is hurt. And for questioning Shawn's injury, I just wanted to come out here tonight and tell Shawn that I'm sorry.
Chris, I told Batista that I would do whatever it takes to win. And I did just that. You were right. I'm not hurt.
But I'm not buying it. I know in my heart that you're hurt. And it doesn't matter what you say, it doesn't matter what you do.
Trust me when I tell you, I'm not hurt. If nothing else, I am a man of my word. I told you, if you were lying about your injury, the next time I saw you, I was gonna hurt you.
I've had a lot of people make a lot of threats to me over the years, yet here I am.
I'm gonna dictate the time and the place.
At One Night Stand, Batista versus Michaels will be a stretcher match.
I'm not 6'8" and I'm not Superman, but I will do whatever it takes to win.
I am gonna hurt you.
One of those men are going to leave One Night Stand on a stretcher.
I am gonna hurt you.
And will it be Batista or Shawn Michaels to be placed on that stretcher and wheeled out of this arena here tonight?
The question of the night is which man is most willing to do what is necessary to place his opponent on that stretcher.
The following contest is a stretcher match. Approaching the ring first from San Antonio, Texas, is the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Michaels is one of the most decorated champions in the history of sports entertainment. But his latest claim to fame came at WrestleMania when he retired the legendary Ric Flair, and it was that really began this saga. It went to the next level at Backlash, where Shawn Michaels meant feigned that injury, claiming he would do whatever it takes to win, and that is what angered the Animal Batista and led to tonight's matchup.
Indeed, Michael, because HBK lived up to his word at WrestleMania, but following the revelation that Heartbreak Kid had indeed been fading the injury, Batista said simply, Shawn, I'm going to hurt you. Tonight we'll see if the Animal lives up to his word.
And of course the agreement was when Ric Flair lost the matchup, he would be forced to retire. It was an edict handed down by Mr. McMahon. Flair was beaten by Shawn Michaels at WrestleMania. Flair had to retire, but Batista, a longtime protege and friend of Flair, said, Shawn, why did you have to do it? Why didn't you just lay down at WrestleMania and allow Flair to continue to ride the roads one more time?
Weighing 290 pounds, Batista!
Would you look at the intensity of those eyes, the eyes of the Animal?
Two nights ago, Batista said the time for talking is over. Batista beat Jericho a couple of weeks ago on Raw to get this matchup against Shawn Michaels, this stretcher match. And remember what Batista said, I will hurt you, Shawn. I am a man of my word.
And I think he's made a believer out of the Heartbreak Kid. Have you ever seen Shawn Michaels with a look of concern like he's wearing tonight?
And the question with Batista is what emotion is driving him tonight, Mick? Is it the emotion that he was embarrassed and humiliated because he fell for Shawn Michaels' trick? Or is it the emotion that he was hurt because his friend Shawn Michaels lied to him?
Well, I believe it's all of the above, but definitely it manifested itself in a hatred that I have never seen before from the Animal. He just literally cannot stand Shawn Michaels.
And Shawn Michaels going right after Batista, early part of the matchup, again, stretcher matchup.